how to remove content from Google for legal reasons when the content is on Google products. In the previous video sessions, I've shown you different options for removing content, as in personal information, from Google. But let's imagine the content, whether it's your name, your photo, is on a particular Google product. Then you have an option, as in Google provides an option for you to request removal using the link here. It's absolutely important, once again, to double check the product policies, because they differ depending on the Google product. Let's imagine your video is on YouTube and you want that removed. Then you can find the product policy, let's say YouTube, and look at the guidelines. So now let's say we want to remove our personal details from a particular Google product. Let's press on create a request. Next, here we have all the Google products available for us. We can see more products. So let's imagine it's a Google search. Let's imagine Google Images and your photo can be found. Then you can report content for removal accordingly. So now let's imagine this scenario. Let's imagine someone published an article on a Blogger platform. Because Blogger is owned by Google as well, then you simply select your options accordingly, okay? So I can't tell you exactly which one to choose here, because that will depend on a particular reason that you want Google to remove your personal information. Now, let's imagine it's YouTube. As we can see, the options change. You can get a video removed as well. So, this is the options to remove content, such as personal information about you, when that content is coming from a Google product. And the link for this URL will be in the description of this video. Simply select the Google product and follow the options accordingly, okay? Now, understanding Google policies, once again, is very critical when you make a removal request. Other tutorials will be available on Rankia website.